Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So, can you guess what I am today, guys? I'm not sure if you guys can see my wings in the back because of the background kind of like matches my wings, but I am going to do a Woodlands fairy makeup. So I wanted to do something like sparkly, you know, mysterious. I really like, if you guys have not ever heard about, you know, the fairy culture or the fays or anything of that nature, you guys should really search up fairies, and they're kind of creepy but pretty but scary at the same time. So yeah, you guys search them up if you don't know anything about fairies. And without further ado, you guys, let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to be using for this tutorial look, you guys, I'm going to be using the Hip Top SpongeBob makeup palette, eyeshadow palette. And if you guys already seen any of my makeup tutorials in the past, you already know me, P. Louise eye base, #1 eye base. That's going to get you that opaque look, okay? Okay, so the first color I'm going to take is this color right here, and this is called Tree Dome, and it's like a metallic pearly color, and you are just going to pat that on both of your eyes. Okay, so after you patted that color on both of your eyes, we are going into this lighter lavender purple, and it's called Meow Meow. And what we are going to do is more of a sparkly halo eye look. So what you're going to do is start from the outer corner of the eye and start doing circular motions. And bring it in towards the center just a little bit. Now the inner corner of your eye, circular motions. Do the same thing to the other eye now. Next color I'm going to be taking is this color right here called Deep Sea Blue. It's like a dark purple blue. And you're going to blend that right on top of that lighter purple. In circular motions. Same thing to the other eye. Next up, I'm going to take this turquoise color, and this is called Angry Tentacles, and we're going to place that on the inner corners of our eye. Next up, I'm going to take this color right here, Bikini Bottom Blue, and that's a darker turquoise, and blend that in right on the inner corner only. Now do the same thing to the other eye. Next, I'm going to take my P. Louise eye base, and I'm going to clean the center of my eyelid. So pretty much cutting the crease. You just want to come down like that, right above where your crease is, and make a little block. Just like that, okay? Do the same thing to the other eye. And for the center of my eyes, I'm going to go with this light pink, and this is called Jumping Jellyfish. So that color is not coming out as opaque as I want it to, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with Wombo, and we are going to blend those two colors in. Okay, now so same thing to this eye. First start off with the light pink Jumping Jellyfish. Then blend it in with that matte pink called Wombo. Okay, so next we're going back to this color Deep Sea Blue, and we're going to give everything a full blend. Okay, next you're going to take your makeup remover wipe, and you're going to clean the edges of your eyes. Just like that. Now same thing to the other side. Okay, and now we're going to do the bottom parts of our eyes. First color I'm going to use is Angry Tentacles, and start blending that in towards the pupil of the eye. Same thing to the other eye. Next color would be Meow Meow. Blend right next to it. Last color would be deep sea blue, and blend that on up to the upper corner. Okay, so we're not nearly as done with the look yet. This is just the eye look. So for our face, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish primer, and I'm just going to be rubbing this all over my face. And here is something new, you guys. I have a new product, and this is a highlighter by Rare Beauty. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's by Selena Gomez's new makeup line, and this is called Enlighten. So this is one of her liquid highlighters that she has, you guys. It looks like this. Let me know if you would like me to do a review of this product. What I'm actually going to do is mix this highlighter in with my foundation, so it gives me that glowishy, you know, sparkly look. So what I'm going to do is take the liquid highlighter, and I'm going to put dots around my face. You can make yourself look as shimmery as you like. Then I'm going to take my foundation, and this is Smashbox 24-hour Hydrating Wear. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend this all in. Okay, so when you put highlighter under your foundation, that is what gives you that nice glowy look. So it's very, very dewy, and it gives you that nice, pretty much shine that you're looking for. Okay guys, so for this next step, I'm going to be using my Norvina electric liners, and I'm going to be taking white, purple, and pink, and I'm going to show you how it's done. You are going to need a brush, and we are going to put flowers on our face. First, you dip the paintbrush in white. Then you're going to dip the tip of the paintbrush in purple. And now you're going to have two different colors, purple and white. Lastly, you're going to dip the tip, very end of the brush in the color pink. Now you're going to get three different colors on the brush. And what we're going to do is you're going to press down like that, and it's going to create a flower petal. Then another one on the side. Then another one on the other side. And then coming down on the corner like that. Okay. And we're going to keep adding flowers. So I'm going to add another one right here. And okay, you guys, here is the finished look. Unfortunately, you guys, I have some devastating news. It stopped recording on me, my freaking camera, like, oh my goodness. So basically, I'm just going to give you guys a rundown what I did. It's really anything out of the ordinary of basically what I just shown you guys before. So all I did was I added these flowers on my face, and if you follow that same 5-petal flower pattern, you're good to go. I added some on this side, and then I added additional polka dots and these little starbursts right there, which are very, very simple, anyone can do. And lastly, I pretty much just highlighted my face, added a bit of blush and lips. And if this is actually my own lip color right here, you guys, it's actually a matte lip, but I wanted it to be sparkly, so I got the Wet n Wild My Melody lip gloss that's called Oh My, and I put it on top of my new scented bubblegum pink matte lip. And it's not out yet, you guys. I'm making matte lips right now, and the reason why they're this tiny is because they are supposed to be coming with an eyeshadow palette, so it's an eyeshadow palette with a lip. Well, anyways, you guys, if you're wondering about these lashes right here, these are my own lash brand, and my lash brand is called Adore Me and More Cosmetics. They are the 25mm luxurious lashes. They are only $9, and they can be found on my website, you guys, which is adoremeandmorecosmetics.com. So if you're wondering about this headband, you guys, I actually made it. I cut a shirt, and then I just made a knot in the back right here, and I tuck it under, and then these flowers I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just hot glued them onto the headband. And that's pretty much how I made my own DIY flower headband. Also, these fairy wings, I got them at the Dollar Tree as well for $1. So if you guys are really looking for a Halloween costume that's very, very easy, very, very simple, anyone can honestly do these press-on flowers. Even if you don't have a brush, you can even use your fingers to make a 5-petal painted on flower on your face, or you can even glue on flowers, little tiny ones that they sell on the Dollar Tree with eyelash glue, of course, and you could glue them on your face if you don't have, you know, that artistic skill. But please, if you did like this video, you guys, give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below on what you guys thought of this fairy look. Did it look like a fairy? Did it match up to the fairy standards? I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. And once again, you guys, I'm so sorry that my camera stopped recording. But like I said, I really didn't do anything different. I just pretty much added the lashes, the lips, and the flowers, and the highlight, and that's it. So other than that, I know I said before that I've been trying to get 13 Halloween looks in, you guys. If you do follow me on Instagram, I do have a makeup look of Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. So what I'm going to do is do half videos and then post the other makeup looks that I wasn't able to get on video on my Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram or on TikTok at Adore Beauty by Jenny. And other than that, I will see you all on the next one. Have a magical day. Bye.